Okay, guys, good morning. I just kind of wanted to go through some of the notes that I gave you yesterday. I kind of wanted to give you a different diagram that you may see in your book. I like the diagram in this other book that actually compares the different blood vessels and the characteristics of the blood vessels within your body. As you can see here, this is an artery. An artery is going to have the characteristics of being very, very, very thick as far as the walls, and that is to handle the high blood pressure that is going through these. Usually, obviously, there is oxygenated blood, but as you know from studying the heart, it's not always the case. So the characteristics of arteries are that they are very thick walls. The lumens are narrow, which means the inner diameter, like of a pipe, would be very narrow as compared to a vein. Again, normally it's going to be pumping oxygenated blood, but not always, as you know from before. When we go to the veins, the veins are usually much, much larger in lumen, so the inner diameter of the veins are normally much larger. A lot of times these are going to be carrying deoxygenated blood, but again, that's not always the case. The other thing that is included, as you can see right here, this is going to be an example of a valve that would be contained in a vein, and these valves open and close to allow blood to go back towards the heart. Now keep in mind that there's no pumping system that allows the body's venous blood to go back to the heart. So your body depends on movement and the squeezing of muscles to get the blood back to the heart. As far as capillaries are concerned, you can see them, and we talked about this when we talked about gas exchange. This is where the gas is going to be exchanged between oxygen. So we're going to take arterial blood, deliver it with oxygen to the tissues, and this would be an example of a capillary bed within the tissue. And as it turns red, as it turns blue or purple, it's delivering the oxygen here and picking up the carbon dioxide and waste that your cells of those tissues have created. And then they will travel, all of this material will travel back toward the heart through these little venous capillaries, then into the venules, which are small veins, and then into the larger veins, and the blood will travel back towards the heart. Okay, so that's a little bit on the anatomy, on the anatomy of capillaries, veins, and arteries. Look for more videos as we go through the next couple weeks. I don't want you not to hear my voice. I know it's not the same, but we're going to do the best that we can. So that's that for today, guys. Take care.